I'm here to get the oil changed in Black Beauty here. It's amazing how many miles you drive just pretty much driving back and forth to work. Gotta get her done. Here we go. Here's our spot. You don't get run over by a pick-em-up truck. Ooh. Well, it still has some time to go for the oil change. So I'm having to do other maintenance. Yeah, I know, they always talk you into extra. But I want to get this maintenance done in between oil changes and stuff. Today's the transmission. There aren't as many cars on their lot as there have been. In the meantime, I've never come up here, so I'm gonna walk around this scenic spot while I wait. With a all-wheel drive Highlander as their display car. There she is, Black Beauty, getting her service done. They check a lot, so I hope it's worth it. Cars are expensive. Expensive necessity. Right. Anyways, we're trying to take care of it. Make sure it lasts us a while because they are expensive. To get the replacement for this thing would be more money than we have. So we got to make it last.